This is Official Hunyah Travels rice paper mozzarella sticks recipe video. For the ingredients you need is some mozzarella sticks or hand-cut mozzarella and rice paper and some water. Very easy to make. Take the rice paper and dip it into water, something like this. So dip it into water and place it on a different sheet. Put a mozzarella stick and wrap it. So begin wrapping it like this. Fold it on the two sides and just fold it. And one done. Repeat the progress by dipping the rice paper into water like this and put in one mozzarella stick and fold it. And fold it on two sides and continuously repeat the progress and just roll it like how you do a spring roll. When it's folded, just put it on the side and it looks like this, and then continue again. This is a wrap like a spring roll. It means it's ready to go for its next step. These are ready to be air fried. I'm going to put these into the air fryer, these mozzarella sticks. So I'm going to take them one by one and put them in. So it looks something, so see how it looks. Air fry for about 15-20 minutes. And now it is done.